Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your EV charging to IFTTT Automation's easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your EV charging to IFTTT Automations, start by ensuring your EV charger is compatible with smart home integrations. Next, download the IFTTT app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. In the app, tap on Create in the top right corner to begin building your automation. Select the IFTTT option to set the trigger for your automation. Search for and select the service that corresponds to your EV charger. Choose an event that will trigger the action, such as when the charger is plugged in or reaches a certain charge level. Now, tap on the Then That section to define the action that will take place. Search for a service you want to connect with, like smart home devices or notifications. Select the specific action you want, such as turning on smart lights or sending a notification. Customize the action settings to suit your preferences. Once you've completed the setup, review your automation to ensure everything is set correctly. Tap Finish to activate your new IFTTT automation. Test the automation by plugging in your EV charger to see if the action triggers as expected. If it doesn't work at first, revisit your steps to ensure all connections and settings are properly. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your EV charging to IFTTT Automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.